How to log out of Warthunder. For this, go ahead and launch your Warthunder on your Steam account. Make sure that you have purchased your Warthunder on your Steam. In your homepage, you will find an interface something like this. At the very top, you will see your player tag or player ID. You just have to go ahead and tap on your player tag or your player ID. Once you tap on it, you will see a layout like this. If you do not have this layout, you surely have to progress a little on your Warthunder game. Once you have progressed a little, at the bottom you will see this option of Switch User. You just have to go ahead and tap on the option of Switch User. So by this way only you'll be able to log out only by adding a new account to your Warthunder. By tapping on Switch User, you will land in this homepage. As you can see, you will have the ability to add a login ID and your password. You can go ahead and add a secondary account to your Warthunder. Now you can switch in between those accounts and you can do it as much as you want to. And that is the only way you'll be able to log out of your Warthunder. You also don't have to worry about any erasal of your data because your Warthunder account will store your data and progress as well. And it will not erase in between the switch or logging out. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.